In our previous video, we covered the basics of OneDrive, including its features, methods of access, and integration with Office 365 apps. Today, we'll dive into one of OneDrive's most powerful features, sharing files as well as using version history to view older versions of a file. Whether you're accessing OneDrive through your internet browser or File Explorer, the sharing process is the same. Let's start by finding the file or folder you want to share. Then in Windows, right-click a folder or file in OneDrive and you'll see the Share option in the menu. In the browser you can also right-click, or you can select the ... menu and then Share. And you can also share directly from the file when open in Word, Excel or PowerPoint as long as it is saved in OneDrive. Click the Share button in the top right to open the Share menu. When you click for Share in any of these instances you'll see the same menu that offers several options for sharing your file. You can share directly to an email address or a name in your organization's directory. Simply type in the email or name, and you can choose to send an invite with a message. You can also choose permissions to either view or edit the file by clicking the pencil icon. Alternatively, you can create a link to share. This link can be customized with different permissions. First, you can decide whether the recipient can view or edit the file like before. But you can also additionally control who can access the link. Options include anyone with the link, which allows anyone who has the link to view or edit the file. There is also anyone within the organization, which restricts access to members of your organization. Or finally, people with existing access if you want to send a link to someone who's already been shared the file before, but can't locate it. Sharing files in OneDrive isn't just about giving access, it's about enabling collaborative work. When you share a file with editing permissions, multiple people can work on the same document simultaneously. This is especially useful for group projects, team collaborations, and shared resources. Now let's talk about version history. When people work side by side on a document, accidents can happen, and if anything gets incorrectly deleted you should not worry. Version history allows you to track changes and restore previous versions of your files. In File Explorer, right-click on the file, select a version history, and you'll see a list of previous versions that you can review or restore. In the Microsoft apps themselves, such as Word or Excel, you can access version history by clicking on the file name in the top menu ribbon and selecting a version history from the drop-down menu. Click on a version to open them in a new window. You can revert the file back to this older version or copy text to be reinserted to a more recent version. Once you are finished with an older version, you can close the window and the most recent version will be in the other open window. That's a quick overview of how to share files using OneDrive and make the most of collaborative features. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.